Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in this video, I want to talk about the claim that you can pay your debts. You can pay for things like cars, houses, RVs, all types of stuff. People are claiming motorcycles with a promissory note. And I wanted to use this one here. This was a real promissory note that was shown to me for by a client. He had used it because he said that it was going to pay off his Mercedes Benz. And just to let you know that this did not work, but it is a big thing that's going around saying that you can have an international promissory note to pay off your debts. And I could just tell you that what happened with this individual is that the car ended up getting repossessed. Promissory note is not accepted. And if you're looking at doing something like this, you need to uh, be uh, be very careful because there are going to be consequences behind doing it. You can see here, and I did cover the individual's name, but you can see here that this is a note. This was put together exactly the way that they want people to put these promissory notes together, international promissory notes together. And then you're supposed to submit it to the Treasury. Now, what is behind the what what is behind this, what makes people even believe that this is possible, is that if someone was to have a note from another country, that they would be able to cash that in. But what they're not uh, understanding, or for some reason people are just letting it fly over their head because they're more concentrated on what they're going to be trying to receive or trying to get paid off, is that there is nothing that is backing that note. So you could see that if you were to get a promissory note, say from another country, let's say Germany, and you brought it to our country, you're either going to get more than what it shows on that note just based on the exchange, or you're going to get a little bit less, or you're going to get a lot less. It really just depends on what country. But what individuals are doing with this is they're just trying to state that to make an international promissory note submitted to our government, and our government is supposed to pay that individual that they show to pay to the order of, or the bearer of this order. They're supposed to just give that to uh, the company, and the company is supposed to submit this to the federal government, and the federal government is supposed to just pay out that money. And but I could just tell you that if it's worked in situation, it was going to be on some sort of technicality. But from what I've seen happen, what I've actually seen happen is that 3 to 4, 6 months, a year later, people end up getting, it catches up to them, and the companies, don't accept it. They didn't get paid. I don't even know if a company would even ever submit this for payment. I don't even know if that would even happen. So be very careful when dealing with these. What people tell you you can do it. And again, I'm always open to proof. This individual sent me proof, but when they also sent this, they were stating that the automobile company took possession of the vehicle, so they actually repoed the vehicle. So I just wanted to make this video here about promissory notes to pay, international promissory notes to pay debt. This is an actual one. This was in our hands, so it's not something that I just got an image off the website. This is an actual promissory note. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my two-phase settlement process, which is what ended up happening with this client. If you don't have your credit report scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Grab your reports, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, all three scores, And if you have debt collectors coming after you, please grab my 3-pack of letters, my statute of limitations letter, debt validation letter, and cease and desist collection activities letter. Links are below this video. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel. Please post your questions and comments. And if you had success with an international promissory note that you put together for yourself and you got the payment and the company accepted it, I'm always willing to make a video showing your proof. Thank you.